moodfabrics.com.
Okay, so let's take a look at our sewing machine a little closer. Usually, with most standard sewing machines, the settings will already be set for you. So let's take a look at the stitch length, which is usually set to 2.5, and the stitch width, which is set to 3.5. That's pretty standard, so you don't have to worry about changing those. Also, let's take a look at some of the stitches that we're going to be using. We'll use a straight stitch, you can use a zigzag stitch, and we can use an overcasting stitch. Here we have our needle, and the take-up lever is located right here where you can pull your presser foot up and down, and the bobbin case sits right below this plate. The sewing machine also has a separate accessories compartment to keep all your tools. This part of the machine also can come off. Once removed, it makes it very easy for you to sew your armholes, necklines, and different curves so you can fit your garment onto the machine. Located on the right side, you have your hand wheel, which you can use manually to bring the needle up and down. You'll especially need to use this when you're picking up the thread from the bobbin. Let's take a look at the tension wheel. Our tension dial is located here, and as you can see, is located right between 3 and 4. It's pretty standard for most beginner settings, but you can always adjust your machine because every machine is different. Just keep in mind that the lower the number you go, the tighter the tension will be, and the higher, the looser the tension will be. So play around with your adjustments and sew on a few scrap pieces to make sure your tension is good.